Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Pi Network on mobile. So if you also want to log in Pi Network on mobile, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging into Pi Network on mobile is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Pi Network application. If you do not have this application, you can easily download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Pi Network application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign up or sign in to your account. You'll be able to find two options over here. Continue with Facebook, continue with phone number. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Make sure to tap on the account that you use to register your account. If you have multiple accounts on your Facebook device, or if you're not logged into your Facebook account on your device, you might be asked to log into your account. Otherwise, you can see over here, you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Pi Network on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.